You're completely lawfully required at this point to step out of this car so we can conduct those tests. If you refuse, you will be under arrest for obstruction.
April 12th in 2024, Newark, New Jersey. A simple traffic stop turned chaotic when a defiant couple refused to step out, claiming to know the law better than the cops.
First of all,
sir,
why are we being...
What's going on today? Who?
Us.
You two? Okay, you mind stepping out of the car for me?
No, you're not stepping out of the car. You don't have to.
Just so I can talk to you over here and not in front of her?
Step out of the car.
Ma'am.
No, I know my rights.
They all know their rights until they meet someone who actually passed law school.
Okay.
Okay.
So, we're law, okay? And you right now are being detained. So, we're trying to...
detain us.
Okay, I'm not going to argue with you. Can you step out
of
to
the
make
car?
this easier, he's just going to step out to talk to my partner. That's a lawful
open the
order.
door to investigate what's going on.
Investigate what?
Just step out of the car and speak to me in the back of the car.
No. You're not leaving the car. We haven't done anything wrong. All we have done was stay here because we have having a family issue.
Okay.
And then we just
step
came
out of the
here. No, you're not leaving the car.
Just step out of the car so I can speak to you. If you did nothing wrong, I'll literally talk to you and then you guys are good to go.
We used to stay here.
Understandable, but listen to me. I already told you.
They claimed to know their rights, but the officers were about to remind them what the law actually says.
Pennsylvania v. Mims is a federal case law that requires you to exit the vehicle when provided with a lawful order from officers. Step out of the car.
When you argue case law with a cop on the side of the road, you've already lost the case.
You can look it up on your phone. Step out of the car. Step out of the car. Step out of the car.
I'm not stupid. What law have I broken?
You're acting stupid. Get out of the car.
Oh no, we're not acting stupid.
I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to you. Step out of the car, sir.
Stop saying that. No, you haven't done
Step out of the car.
We're not. The car is not moving. The car is not moving. We haven't done anything. You can actually put the windows up right now. Park the car.
Okay.
Let's go.
There it is. Obstruction. Get out of the car.
No,
Get out of the car.
No.
Get out of the car.
You cannot.
Step out of the car.
No. Oh,
Step out of the car.
Hell no.
You cannot do that.
Step out of the car.
Hell no.
Yeah, you can smell it.
Step out of the car.
Citing a Supreme Court ruling wasn't enough. These officers had probable cause, and the couple was running out of excuses.
That's more than enough for them to conduct field tests called standard sobriety tests to determine if you might be intoxicated or not. You're completely lawfully required at this point to step out of this car so we can conduct those tests. If you refuse, you will be under arrest for obstruction.
At this point, he's not exercising his rights. He's exercising his arrest.
I want my lawyer.
You want your lawyer here? Okay. So when you're arrested, you can contact your lawyer. All right? Do you understand what I just said to you? Do you understand what I just said to you?
Nobody wants any problems, but Alex, did you do this? So you did this. Lou and I were just here talking.
Sir, do you understand what I said to you? I said as courteously as I can.
No, I do not. I'm sorry.
You did not understand. Okay, well, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to have you step out of the car. If you physically resist us, you will be placed under arrest. You
The police
understand that?
officer is saying that his sister did.
We are going to have you step out of the car since you're passively resisting. You're not listening to verbal commands.
When they refused again, the stop turned into an arrest. Under U.S. law, defying a lawful order is obstruction.
You are refusing a lawful command to step out of this vehicle. Step out of the vehicle. That's a lawful order.
I wasn't driving.
Now you're passive resisting. Now we're authorized to remove you from the car because you're not listening to us. If you resist us physically as we get you out of this car, you will be arrested. Do you understand? We're going to proceed with that if you do not step out right now. To use physical contact from the car. If he pulls away, then use minimal force to get
Wait. Who's pushing the car?
Get out of the car.
Come on. No.
Don't tense up.
Get out of the car.
He's not driving.
Get out of the car.
No.
Get out of the car.
Get out of the car.
He's not
We
driving.
resist.
Get out of the
Get
car.
out of the car.
He's not driving.
Get out of the
He
vehicle.
was never driving.
She's
He
upset.
was never driving.
Get out of the car.
Oh, Get
out of the car.
I'm gonna sue you.
The only thing he's shooting tonight is his chances of walking free.
Do not do this.
My phone.
Holy shit! Stop tensing up.
I'm not resisting.
Watch her.
You're
He's not resisting.
All right.
See?
We're handcuffing. That's all we're doing.
Why? Why? He didn't commit no crime. He committed no crime.
This
No
is watching
crime.
the way.
throwing my glasses.
Moments later, officers searched the car and found nearly a dozen hidden bottles of liquor. The couple's family talk had just turned into a DUI arrest. He thought quoting case law would save him. Now he's got a new one named after him, State versus himself. Resisting arrest and DUI don't sound as smart outside the courtroom.